Most men fall short because they never received the blueprint for true manhood. We live in a world designed to drain your bank account, confuse your mind, and distract your spirit with foolishness. Too many men waste their potential chasing women, wasting their money, and playing games, instead of moving with power and wisdom. The real wise OG isn't here to motivate you. Motivation is a temporary feeling. I'm here to help you become unstoppable and unbreakable. Discipline from the ground up. Clarity through the noise. Power through emotional control. A distracted man is a pawn. An undisciplined man is a liability. But a man who moves with wisdom, he doesn't just play the game, he changes the rules. So if you're done making excuses and complaining, and you're ready to take your place on the throne, welcome to the brotherhood. This is the real wise OG. Subscribe and let's get better together.